Abdur, you have completed the homework? Not assignment one. I guess I have given 4 assignments from the determinant, 3 or 4. So you have completed all the determinants assignments? You just received one assignment of determinant. Abdul, for the determinants, you receive only one assignment. Abdul, yes or no? You receive only one assignment? Because I have asked them to upload, I guess, 3 or 4 assignments. More are there, no? Okay, so Abdul, hopefully in between receive matrix one. Okay. So Abdul, hopefully today we will complete this chapter. Okay, so till tomorrow, please try to complete all the assignments because tomorrow we will start the new chapter, relation and functions. Okay. Okay. Then Abdul, in your school, how many chapters has been completed? Just finished determinant. Okay, so they have done the matrices determinants. Okay, and when you have your exams? June. Okay, then we have a lot of time. Okay, no issue. So Abdur, we have started the inverse of a function. Okay, then we have. I guess I have given this question number 3 in homework. Am I correct? Okay. Then this one, Abdur, question number 4. Abdur, this is done. Question 4 or not? Okay. Good. This one, Abdur, 5th. Some of the questions I've given in homework, I don't remember. No. Okay, Abdur, then please try this question number 5th. Okay. And let me know if you have any doubt in this question. Okay. So, but I will give you the formula which you have to use, in this question. Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay. So Abdur, can you tell me what is the formula of sine 2x in terms of tan x? Then we have the formula of tan 2x. And then we have the formula of cos 2x. Can you tell me the formulas? This is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Cos 2x I will write here. So cos 2x, this is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. And the sine 2x, this we have 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, Abdur. So in this question, you have to use these two formulas, first and the last one. So please start doing this question and let me know if you will face any issue in this one. Abdur, in this case, yes, you need to find the transpose and then you need to find the A inverse. Okay. We have already discussed in the last class how to find the A inverse. So please do that, multiply both, and please check that are you getting the same answer or not. Amir, please let me know if you have any doubt in this question. Uh, I guess, Abdul, you are not getting tan square. You must get 1 plus tan square. If you will find the determinant of this, okay. So determinant will be equal to 1 plus tan square x. This is the determinant. Am I correct? Abdur? Okay. So good. Determinant is correct. Now please find the cofactor. Okay. So okay, okay. Okay, now please find the cofactor, then calculate the A inverse. Amir, this is maths 12th class, so I'm not sure that you have joined the right group or not. Okay, so if this is not the correct group for you, so you can log out and take the correct one. And Abdul, please let me know if you have any doubt in this question so that I can solve. Amir, you have joined this group for which class? We are doing a determinants right now. Okay, but this is the right group for you. You're supposed to be. Oh, no, this is for the determinants. Okay, and most probably this is the last class for the determinants. From tomorrow, we are going to start the relation and functions. Umir, will you please find the transfer? Okay, observe, great. Please find the A inverse and then multiply the A transpose with the A inverse. Okay. So Abdur, sorry, Omer, I guess you were not present in the last class. Okay. That's why we have started the determinants, because only 2 students were there in the class and have already completed the matrices. Okay, so what you can do, you can continue in this batch, but we will do the relation and functions, and in every class for half an hour, for 30 minutes, we will do the matrices. Okay. No, Omer, the students have already completed the matrices. Okay, so that's why we have started the determinants. They have already completed 50% determinants, even more than 50%. Okay. Relation, we will start from tomorrow. Okay, Abdur, this is done, or you're facing some issue? Yes, we will do the matrices. So what we will do, in every class for half an hour, we will do the matrices. Okay, and then we will continue the relational functions. Okay. Abdur, please let me know if you are facing any issue in this.
Sir, I'm not getting at the last step.
You are not getting? Okay, Abdur, no issue. I will solve this. So first of all, we will find the inverse. Okay. So for the inverse, we need determinant of A. So you already know that this is 1 plus tan square x. Let's find the cofactor for this. So A11, this will be equal to what? Just remove this, you will get a 1. Then A12, this is what? Tan x. Then A21, this is equal to what? Minus tan x. And A22, and this is equal to what? 1. If you find the adjoint of A, so that will be equal to the transpose of this. So what you will get? 1 tan x, okay, minus tan x, and 1. You're getting the same answer of the. Observe, you're getting the same answer for this adjoint of A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So you already know that the formula of A inverse is what? This is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. So A inverse is equal to determinant is 1 by 1 plus tan square of x. Okay, adjoint of A is this one. So please write this matrix. This is 1 minus tan x. Okay, tan x into 1. This correct, Abdul? You get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so A transpose you can directly find. You can find out this A transpose. Okay, so I will write here the A transpose. This is, but in exam, please show them. Okay, please in a separate line, please write the A transpose. So A transpose will be what? This first row become the first column. 1 tan x and minus tan x. 1. Okay, we are multiplying this with A inverse. A inverse is what? 1 by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So it's your wish. You can multiply this to all the elements right now, or we can do this in the end. So this is your choice. Okay, if you feel that you will get confused, then I can multiply this. So this we will get 1 by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, next is minus 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. And 1 by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, so this is the end. Now we will use the same value over here. So 1 by 1 plus 10 square x. This is minus 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. And this is 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. 1 by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay. And now this will be equal to first row, first column. So this becomes 1 by 1 plus 10 square.
Why are you multiplying it again?
No. Here, what we have done, we have find out the transpose. This is the transpose of the matrix. Okay, we are doing this part.
So, but the final answer is like, we'll find the inverse and that's it, right?
No. The final answer is we need to find the A transpose, then we need to
Okay, then
multiply
yes,
this.
yes, about it.
Okay. So we are at this step. Now we will multiply this. First row, first column. So 1 will get multiplied with this 1 by 1 plus 10 square x. Then minus 10x will get multiplied with this one. Okay. So can we do this directly? We will take the LCM. And can we write like this? This is clear to you, Abdul. 1 is get multiplied with 1 by 1 plus 10 square. No. Yeah, okay. Actually, I missed one step. So not an issue. Now here 1 will get multiplied with this. So you will get 1 by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay. Next is minus 10x with this. So we will get minus 10 square x by 1 plus 10 square x. This is clear, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Now first row and second column. So minus 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. And I don't have the space right now. So minus 10x plus this. So this becomes minus 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, the second point, this is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next one. Second row, first column. So we will get 10x by 1 plus 10 square x. Next is 10 square x by 1 plus 10 square. Sorry, 10x by this and second row, first column. So this is 10x by this one, and this is 1 plus 10x. So this is 10x by 1 plus 10 square. So we have done nothing. We have chosen the second row and we have multiplied this with the first column. So 10x by 1 plus 10 square x, 1 into 10x by 1 plus 10 square. Now next one, minus 10 square x by 1 plus 10 square x, and plus 1 by 1 plus 10 square. Okay, Abdul? Clear up to
Yes,
this one? Now, you can take a LCM over here, Abdul, and you will get 1 minus 10 square x by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, now can you tell me the formula? What formula we will get over here?
yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me the final formula which we will get over here? If we will take the LCM, then we will get 1 minus 10 square by 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, so what is 1 minus 10 square by 1 plus 10 square?
Cos 2x.
Cos 2x. Very good. Now, similarly, please do over here. Take LCM. This is minus tan x minus tan x. These will get added. You will get a minus 2 tan x. Similarly, here you will get 2 tan x. Here you will get 1 minus tan square x. So, Abdul, please note down this. Take LCM, put the formula, and please let me know if you're getting the same answer which is given in
Okay,
the
sir.
question. Okay. Okay. Thanks so much. Abdul, this is done.
Just a second, sir.
Done. Okay. So getting the same answer, cos 2x minus sin 2x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, then we will start the next question. Okay, so the next is for this matrix, please find x and y so that a square. So this question have two parts. First thing, can you tell me that how we have solved this question? Yeah, this one, question number 4. Can you tell me how we have solved this one?
So first we will first we will find by the equation we will multiply by a inverse and then we'll get the equation.
Very good. So, okay, so in these types of questions where they ask you to use this equation, then you need to multiply with the A inverse. Now,
And
if
we
you
will
will,
find the det of a by finding the determinant of a.
yes, we will not solve this question directly. We will not use the formula A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant adjoint of A. Okay, because in this question, they are saying using this equation. Okay. Okay, Abdul? You're on mute, Abdul.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you will check the next question, this one. Here, what they're saying find x and y so that this is equal to this one. So first of all, you need to find the value of x and y from here. Okay. Once you will find it, then they are saying hence find A inverse. Okay, so whenever in the question they will use the language use this equation to find A inverse or hence find A inverse. So that means you don't need to solve this question directly. You will not get the marks if you will solve it directly. Okay, they are saying hence find A inverse,
So how many
then
marks is this question for?
4 mark. Okay,
Okay.
so if they're saying hence find A inverse, then please don't use the formula directly. Use the equation. So if you will find the value of x and y, for example, I'm taking example, suppose you get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Then our equation become a square plus 2i is equal to 3a. Okay, if we will put the value, then our equation will become like this. Umer, this is inverse. So from the exercise point of view, this will be a fourth exercise like this. Okay, so this is not a question from your exercise. Okay, this is a reference book question, so you will not find out this in the NCERT. Okay, ma'am? Okay, so Abdul, so suppose you get this equation. Now, using this equation, you need to find A inverse. So again, please multiply this with A inverse and you need to find the answer. So first of all, please find the value of x and y. Put all the values in this equation, solve it, and tell me the answer. What's the value of?
But how do we get x and y?
Okay, so we have this equation. Can you find A square?
Yes, sir.
What is I?
So 1001.
Very good. Identity matrix. A, the value you already have. Okay, so just put all the values, add these two because on the left side we have addition. So add these two, equate that with this complete one. So you will get some equations over here. Okay, okay. I will give you the. Okay, and Abdul, whenever you have a doubt, please ask me. Okay, even in the class also means when other students are also present, please let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, now a square plus x. So what we will do, we'll put all the values here, 3175. And here also we have 3175. Okay, you can multiply this. Then plus x into I. I means 1001. And this is equal to ya. So A means again 3175. Now we will multiply this first row and first column. So this become 9 plus 7. So 3 plus 5, 21 plus 35, 7 plus 25. Okay, we will multiply the complete matrix with x, so we'll get x 0 0 x, and this is equal to multiply this with y, so you will get 3y, y, 7y, and 5y. This is clear, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just add these two. Okay, then finally add this with x. So we will get here 9 plus 7, this will get 16. This is 8. Here we have 46, sorry, 56. And here
So,
we
but we are getting two values for x.
yes, then we will check. So please wait. So here we have x00x is equal to 3y, y, 7y, and 5y. Now add these two. So we will get what? 16 plus x, 8, 56, 32 plus x. This is equal to 3yy, 7y, 5y. Okay, now equate this. So from here you will get equation 16 plus x is equal to 3y. Or first of all, we will find the value of y from here. So you will get a y is equal to 8. Okay. Similarly, so whatever value you are getting of x and y, you need to check that these value will satisfy all the elements. Okay, so we get a value of y from here 8. If we will check this 7y is equal to 56, then also we will get a y is equal to 8.
But we are getting two values, right, sir?
I don't think so. We'll get only a single value. We'll check here. So here we have the first equation 16 plus 6. I will write over here. Okay. 16 plus 6 will be equal to y, 3y. What the value of y is? 8. We'll put here 16 plus 6 is equal to 3 into 8. Sorry. So I will again write this. 16 plus x is equal to 3 into 8. So here we will get 16 plus x is equal to 24 and x is equal to, we will get 8. You are saying from this equation, please check this. So from this equation also, or you can put the value here or you can check the answer. So it's your wish. We will put x over here. So we'll get a 40. We'll put y 8 here, you will get a 40. So that means if you will find the value of x from these two equations also, then you will get 8 only. Okay, this is 40, this is 40. 32 plus x is, I will write here. 32 plus x is equal to 55. Put the value of y. 32 plus x is equal to 8 into 5 is 40. So x is equal to 8. This clear? Abdul?
Yes.
Okay, so we are getting only a single solution. X is 8 and y is 8. But the concept is, if in a matrix the variable is present at other element place also, then what you need to do, find the value and please check that the value of x and y will satisfy all the places. Okay, if you're getting a
Okay,
2,
sir.
3, if you're getting 2, 3 answer, for example, from first element you are getting some value of x, from the second one also you are getting some value of x, then please find the common solution. Select the common value. And if there is no common solution, then answer do not exist. Okay. Okay, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So please note down this, confirm me, then we will start the next question. Abdul, this is done. Shall we start next?
Just a second.
Okay, okay. Please let me know once it is completed. Uh, Fourth question. Amir, which fourth question from the same slide, from the same PPT? It was the fourth one. This one. Okay. Umair, the same concept is used in this question. Okay. So I will solve this, the second part. So that's the same thing. Uh, uh, Abdur, please complete this. Okay. Find A inverse and confirm it. In the meantime, Umair, I will tell you. Suppose if in the previous question, if you have this one, a square plus 4a plus I is equal to 0. So you just need to put the value and verify this one. Okay, so this is a very simple part. So you can equate this question with this one. Okay, you're getting -3, -3, and -3. Okay, I will solve it. Abdur, can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Umair, you're talking about the past part first or second one? First one. Okay, we need to solve this. A square minus 4a plus I. So we will put this value 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2. Next one, 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 4a. A means 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 plus I is equal to null matrix. Okay. Now, first row and first y minus minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, I'm sorry. A square. Okay, this is 2, 3, 1, 2. This is 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 4a. So a is 2, 3, 1, 2 plus I means identity. Okay, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now multiply this. So first row will get multiplied with the first column. So Omir, you know how to multiply two matrices? You know how to multiply two matrices? How can we multiply these two? So first row will get multiplied. No, not a scalar. First row will get multiplied with the first column. This is a rule of multiplication. You need to multiply first row with first column. So you will get a 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3. Similarly, first row with second column. Okay, so that will be 6 plus 6. First row, second column. So 2 plus 2. First row, last column. So 3 plus 4. Okay, minus this. So this will be 8, 12, 4, 8. And this is identity 1001. Now this is 7, 4, 12, 7 minus 8, 12, 4, 8 plus 1001. Okay, now we will add and subtract them. So first is 7. Here we have a negative -8. And here we have a positive +1. Next one, 12 minus 12. Next is 4 minus 4. Next is 7 minus 8 plus 1. Okay. So here you will get a 0. Here you will get a 0, 0, and 0. So that's why you will get a null matrix. Okay. Abdur, this is done. The last question, question number 6.
Sir, I'm getting a square plus 8i equals to 8.
8a, very good. Now you need A inverse. Okay, so multiply the complete equation with A inverse. Okay, so in the left side, Abdul, you will get an A inverse. So please shift all the matrices to the right side so that you will get the value of A inverse. Okay.
Sir, should I multiply first or shift and then multiply?
I guess it is better to multiply first, okay, because we will get a clear picture that what we need on the left side. Okay, on the left side we need A inverse. So after multiplication only we will get to know. Okay, okay. So Omer, so we have proved this equation. Now similarly, for the second type we have the same question which Abdur is doing right now. Okay, this one. Now here, similarly as in the previous question, we have this equation. Okay, so from this equation, we need to find A inverse. What we will do, X and Y value we have already find out. Okay, so we will put this value. We will put this value X and Y in this equation. So we will get A squared plus 8I is equal to 8A. We get this one. Now, this is first. Now multiply 1 by A inverse. Multiply 1 by A inverse. So what we will get, okay, so multiplication, please remember, while you are doing a multiplication in a matrices, then you have two choices. You can multiply from this side or from this side. It's your choice. Okay, so if you're multiplying from this side, then please multiply all the elements from this side only, all the matrices from this side only. Please don't change the sequence. So here we are multiplying with A inverse. I'm multiplying from this side. It's your wish. You can multiply from this also. So if you have started from this, then everything A inverse will be written always on the right, like this one. 8I, A inverse. 8A, A inverse. Okay. So this A square into A inverse, this will become A. I into A inverse will become 8A inverse, and A into A inverse will become I. Okay, Abdul. So now we get a clarity that on the left side, we need just A inverse. So what we will do, we will shift all the terms to the right side. 8A, 8I minus A. We need A inverse, so we can write 1 by 8, 8I minus A. This clear, Abdul?
Sir, can we just find A inverse and then directly we can substitute?
You want to say that if you will find A inverse directly by using the formula, 1 by determinant?
Yes, sir.
No, Abdul, then examiner will not give you the marks because in the question it is mentioned, hence find A inverse. Okay, so please check this. You will get these types of questions in a two-way. First, they will say to you, hence find A inverse, or they can say to you that using the equation find A inverse. Okay, so in both these cases, please never find the A inverse directly. Please use the equation. Okay, Abdul?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Omer, what is the difference in both means? The solution you are saying that if you are finding the solution, then there's no difference. Okay, if they are saying using these equations, then they want to point out that the equation which is given in the question, you need to find A inverse from that only. And if they are saying hence, then again they want to say that using the equation, you want to solve it. You have to solve it. Okay, so for hence and using, these two are the same thing. I was saying that please, in such a case, never find A inverse using the formula. Abdur, please let me know once it is completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting same answer.
Same answer. Okay, very good. Okay, Umar. So you have not completed this chapter. So this is the way of solving these types of questions. Okay. Now, next one. Okay, Abdur, please take a screenshot of this this question is your homework. Okay, there's a straightforward question. You just need to find A inverse and A square.
So again, A inverse by the formula, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Please note down this, confirm me, then we will do the
Yes,
next one.
I took a
Right,
screenshot.
okay. Okay, I'm sorry, we have the time. So please note down this in your notebook and do this in the homework. Okay. Please note down this. Amir, we will again do these questions in our backup classes. Okay. Abdul, this is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. It's fine. Okay, this is also a good question. Okay, the same question, Abdul, we have done in matrices, but we have used a different method. So can you tell me which method we have used in the matrices for this question? We need to find a matrix P. Okay, and this is given that when you're multiplying this with another matrix, you're getting this one. Abdul, any idea?
Should we find identity?
No, we will not find identity. In the matrix, we have done the same question by assuming let B is equal to. Now, Abdul, can you tell me what is the order of the matrix P?
2 by 2.
2 by 2, that's correct. So in matrices, what we have done, we have assumed this as A, B, C, D. Okay, then we have multiplied this with this one. We have formed an equation and we have find out the value of A, B, C, and D. Okay. So this is method one, which we have used in the matrices. Now, the same question can be solved by using the inverse method. We will first of all assume this. Let A is equal to, we will assume the first matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2, 1 and 4. C is equal to 6, 0, 0, 6. Okay, so we have a matrix P. This we have assumed as A and this is C. So we will get BA is equal to C. Okay, Abdul, this correct? Abdul, understood this?
Yes, sir. Should we multiply it?
No, we will not multiply, Abdul, because we don't have the value of B. So as I already told you, we have two methods. In the first method, you can assume B as ABCD. You can assume the variable, and then you can multiply it and solve the equation. That was the first method which you have used in the matrices. Okay. Please revise the matrices, then you can check these types of questions. Now we have a second method, which we are doing right now. So what we have done, we have assumed this as the matrix A and this as the matrix C. So we have a BA is equal to C. Okay, now Abdul, can you tell me how can we find out this B? If on the LHS, we just need B only.
A, C into A inverse.
C into A inverse, very good. So assume this is as A. Now we need to remove this, so we will multiply this with A inverse. But if you will multiply from this side, then A inverse will get multiplied with B and we can't solve it. That's why we'll multiply from here. So multiply 1 by A inverse. Okay, so we will get what? B A inverse is equal to C A inverse. So this we will get B into I. So this is equal to C A inverse. B into I, you already know that is B. If you will multiply any matrix with I, you will get the same matrix. And this is equal to C into A inverse. Okay, Abdul. So now you just need to find the value of A inverse. You need to put in this equation, you will get the value of B. This clear, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Please complete this and share your answer. Abdul, please let me know once it is completed. Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, great. So Abdul, what the answer you're getting? This one?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm getting for inverse.
Inverse. Inverse me. Inverse or B? Here we need
So
to find.
A inverse I got it as 4
This,
to 1 by 6 into 4 to 1 minus 4
yeah,
to
yeah,
minus 1 1.
very good. So finally, we got this. P is equal to, then we have a 6. Okay, we have assumed this as B is equal to 6 as, sorry, C. So here we get a B is equal to CA inverse. Okay, so you get a 1 by 6. Okay, so very good. Please multiply that with C. So you will get a value of B, and that should be equal to this one. Okay, please multiply C with your A inverse, then you should get this. That 6 should will get cancelled out. Okay, Abdul. Okay, Abdul, please tell me what the value of A inverse you are getting.
Yes, sir, I'm done. I got the answer.
You
4
got that.
2 minus 1 1.
Very, very good, Abdul. Now next one. This is also a very good question. So A is given and A inverse is given. You need to find the value of X and Y. Okay. So Abdul, can you tell me how can we start this question? What should be our approach? Please analyze for 1 or 2 minutes. Then let me know that what should be our approach in this case.
So for A, we can expand by third column. So we can find X.
Expand means you mean to say determinants?
Yes, sir. Finding determinant of X.
Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, just okay. So, but we don't need to find the determinant here. No? Our matrix A is given and A inverse is given. Okay, we need to find the value of X and Y. So we can't find the determinant because there is no need to find the determinant. Okay, suppose you find the determinant, then what we will get? You will get a value in terms of X. For example, you will get X plus 10. Then, okay, so you want to say that we will use the formula of A inverse. We will use this formula. Observe.
Yes, sir.
You want to say that we will use this formula and equate with these values?
Yes, sir.
That is correct, Abdul. But always remember, if in your equation you have a variable, then this will become very, very complicated. Okay, this approach is also correct. But the question will become very complicated because first of all, you will get a determinant in terms of X. After that, you will find the adjoint, and in some elements, you will get X. Then you will divide those X with the determinant. Okay, so that will become more and more complicated. So always remember, if you have a variable in your matrix and they ask you to find out this and there's some use of inverse, then we will not do this directly. We will use a property of the inverse. Now, what is A into A inverse, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
What is A into A inverse?
Sir,
Hi, very good. So we have A inverse. You can easily multiply these two. Okay, you can easily multiply this. Yes,
should
you
we
will
multiply and we should equate with identity?
with identity. So what happened in the left side, you will get some equations in terms of x and y. On the right side, you have either 1 or 0. You can easily equate them. Okay, so please compare this method with this one. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant into adjoint of it. Please compare these two methods. So this is a very, very lengthy method. Okay, and in some cases, you might get stuck because of the calculation. So please remember, if in a matrix you have a variable, then please try to use this method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then Abdul, please continue this and share your answer.
Are we starting the topic of solving equations in this class? So what will be the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 1 and then 0 0 1?
Yeah, identity will be of order 3. So we'll start from 100, 010, and 001. Okay.
So I'm getting y as 1 by 3.
Y is 1 by 3, but y is minus 1. And what the value of x you're getting?
-1.
Then please do this calculation with me, Abdul. Okay. Y and 1 by 2. This is equal to identity. Okay. So take the first row and the first column. So this will become 0. This is minus 1 by 2. And this is plus 3 by 2. First row, second column, you will get a 3 plus 3y. Next, minus 3 by 2 plus 3. Same answer, Abdul. First row is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Next, second row, first column. So this is 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2. Next is x plus 1 by 2. Next one, minus 4, then 6, then x plus x into y. Next is 5 by 2, then minus 6 by 2, and x by 2. Abdul, please check this. Getting somewhere?
So in the third column, I'm getting 5 by 2.
Only 5 by 2? Not rest of the numbers? Abdul, you're not getting the...
Sorry, it was this mistake. It's
Okay.
right. Minus 3 by 2 and plus 3 by 2.
Okay, no issue. Please check the third one. So 2 by 2, then minus 3 by 2, then 1 by 2. Next is minus 8 plus 9 plus y. Next is 10 by 2 minus 9 by 2 and 1 by 2. Please check the third one too. Abdul, third one is correct.
So 2 into 5 by 2 becomes 5, right?
2 into 5, yes, that will become 5. But I've written 2 because in the denominator, everywhere we have a 2. So we'll just take LCM. Okay, you can write 5, but what happens at the end, again, you need to multiply that with 2. Because in the denominator we have 2. So that's why I have not cancel anything. Okay, Abdul? That's
Yes, sir.
correct.
It's actually right. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will solve this. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. You're getting 1 here. At the first place, you're getting 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the second place. Second is 3 plus 3 plus y. This remain same. Next is minus 3 plus this will become 0. First row is correct, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next one. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus half. Minus 1 by 2 plus x by 2. Okay, we will not cancel this. Now, sorry, we will not take LCM right now. Next is -4 plus 6 is 2 plus x into y. Last one, 5 minus 6 is -1 by 2 plus x by 2. Okay. This clear for the second row? This clear? The second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last one. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. We'll get a 0 here. -8 plus 9 is 1. 1 plus y. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is again 2. 2 by 2 is again 1. So this will be equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, Abdul, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you can do, please equate this one, this with 0, find out y. From here, equate this x, this complete equation with 0, find the value of x. And please check that these value of x and y will satisfy all the places. Okay, so first of all, please do this. Please tell me the value of y and x.
Sir, y equals -1.
Very good. Y is -1. What is the value of x?
So 1.
X is 1. Very good. So this is the correct answer. But in such a case, when you have the variable at many places, please check that your answer satisfies the other places or not. So for example, you're getting 1 and -1. If you put a value here, you will get a 1. So on the right side, we have a 1. This is correct. Please check here. This will become 0 if you will
Should
put
we
1.
put the values?
You need to check. Okay.
So how can we check?
You can do like this. So here you can write x is equal to 1. Okay, and y is equal to -1. Okay, now put, you get this answer. Let this be 2. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to -1 in 2. Okay, so this is 2. Now, if you will put this value, then finally what you will get, this is 1. This is -1 means 0. Okay, this is 0. Next is, this will be 0. This will be 1. Next, this will become 0 on the left side.
No, we are putting the equation.
Yes, you need to put in the equation 0. And here you have 1. And on the right side, you have 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So these two are equal. So your answer is correct. Okay. If there is any value which will not satisfy any of the element, so that means your answer is incorrect, or rather no solution exists. So please check all the elements once you find out the value and the variable is present at all the elements of the matrix.
So we should put the value of x in the A matrix and then we have to equate with identity matrix.
No, the equation. We get this equation. Finally, we have find out the value from this equation only. So we will put the value of x and y again in this equation because we have find out the value from these two elements only. Okay, remaining elements we need to check. So the best way is, please put the value of x and y in this matrix.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm saying this because maybe if your value will not satisfy this one, then you can say that there is no solution. If it
Yes,
will not,
sir. Fine,
okay.
sir.
Okay. So there are only two possibilities. First, there will be no solution. Second, you might have done some mistake. Okay. Okay. So for example, in the previous case, you were getting some 1/3 and all that. If you will put that in any of the equation, then it will not satisfy the second equation. Okay. So any doubt at the till here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then Abdul, this question is also a homework. Okay, there's not so much of
When at the equations.
yes. You just need to find the transpose. You can find it. You need to find a inverse, and you need to equate that. Okay, there's a simple question. Please do it right now. You can complete this in 3 minutes. Okay, please do this right now. Abdul, we will start today. Okay, but before that, we need to solve these equations because these are based on the matrices. After Ramzan, we have a 2-hour class. Okay. Abdul, this is done.
So are we getting it as 1?
No, not one. Uh, Let me solve it. If you'll find the determinant, you are getting determinant as a 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you'll find the cofactors. So you will get a cos alpha, A1, 2. Okay, first row, second column, sine alpha, then A2, 1. Second row, first column, minus sine alpha. And here you will get A2, 2 is equal to cos alpha. So the adjoint of the matrix you will get as transpose of this. So this is cos alpha, sine alpha, minus sine alpha, and cos alpha. Okay. Now A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. So that means A inverse is equal to cos alpha minus sine alpha.
Sir, I got the answer.
You get the answer. What's the answer?
So the answer is 1, comma, minus cos A, and then uh, cos A plus B, sorry, sir.
Okay. Let me check. Cos alpha sine, so A11 is.
Sir, I'm getting first one is 1, and then cos A plus B, and then cos A minus B, and then again 1.
Okay. So adjoint of this here we are getting. Okay, so this is A inverse. Okay. Now next, as per the question, we need to find transpose of A. Okay. So we get a inverse. Now we'll find the transpose of it. So transpose is what? A transpose is equal to first row become first column. So this is cos alpha sine alpha and minus sine alpha and cos alpha. Okay, Abdul? We get this
Yes, sir.
transpose.
Yes, sir.
Now as per the question, A transpose is equal to A inverse. So we will equate this with A inverse. So A transpose is equal to A inverse. So we'll put the value. What is A transpose? This is cos alpha minus sine alpha, cos alpha, and this is equal to A transpose. So this is cos alpha minus sine alpha, and cos alpha. Okay, Abdul? Now, if you will check this, then LHS and RHS are equal. Okay. So
Yes.
in place of alpha, if you will put any value, then this will remain equal. LHS and RHS are equal. So in place of alpha, you can put any value. For example, if you will put a 30 degree, then LHL and RHL, sorry.
So the answer is 1, right, sir?
Sorry, answer is?
Answer is 1.
No, not one. We will say that this is true for all value of alpha, for all real values of alpha. We will write A transpose into A inverse is equal to, sorry, we will write A transpose is equal to A inverse for all real values of alpha. That means in place of alpha, you can put any value. The left side and our right side will always remain equal. Clear, Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Abdul, can you tell me why you were getting 1?
So by mistake, I multiplied them.
Okay. Good, Abdur. Then please note down this. Confirm me.
Yes,
Then we
sir, I
will.
noted it.
Done. Okay, great. Then we have again this question. Okay. So,
I think time is up, I guess.
Abdur, actually after Ramzan we have a 2-hour class. Do you have any other class right now? I guess no.
No, sir.
Okay, so can we extend it for more 25 more minutes? Or do you want to do this topic tomorrow?
Sir, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. But Abdul, from tomorrow onwards, we have a 2-hour class. Okay. If you wish, we will take a 5-minute break after 1 hour, and then we will continue the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then please complete the homework, and tomorrow we will do some questions on the basis of inverse. Then we will start the application. Okay. And Umar, tomorrow, please join 30 minutes earlier than our scheduled class. Is it possible for you, Umar? So that we can do the matrices in that 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, then. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.